Hi guys, I'm Daiwik. Today I'm finding which material holds the ice cube longer time from melting. Let's do it. Experiment, we need light paper, tissue paper, light cotton cloth, and foil. Close the jar and open jar. And 6 ice cubes. First, I'm doing foil. You need to wrap. Put it right here. Then you need to wrap this. Wrap this. Wrap this. Well, it's stuck right here. And put it here. Wait for 30 minutes. I'm opening the ice cubes after 30 minutes. Let's see the ice cubes. First, I am getting the foil ice cube. It'll melt or no melt. Now I'm doing the tissue paper one. Now I'm doing the light paper one. Now I'm doing the cotton candy one. Cotton cloth one. Now I'm doing the open jar one. Then the last one I'm opening. Yeah. The closed jar. I think the cotton cloth one is bigger than all of it. That means the cotton cloth holds the ice cubes longer. The experiment is done. Bye guys, see you next time. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Bye.